Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Annisa and I post a little bit of everything, so you should just go ahead, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I post. I look crazy right now. I know. My makeup is not finished. I have foundation on my lips. I look a little bit crazy. I'm going for more of a glam look with this Halloween look. I will have a box going right here as I talk, like showing how I did step by step my makeup so far, while I go over everything I'm gonna do for this one. So I definitely think there's multiple ways you can do this look. So you could definitely do like a full face, half devil, half angel, and do all red or whatever. But if you're trying to like real quickly do something that's super cute, super subtle, you can still go to Starbucks without feeling like out of place. I think the eyeliner look is super cute. When it comes to lips, I would go neutral, which I am going to do. So I'm going to do this eye, just a red eyeliner. I'm going to put little devil horns on the eyeliner. This eye, I'm going to do a white eyeliner. I'm going to do a little halo on top of it. And I'm going to put on a neutral lip, and that's it. I did my eyebrows. I was really tempted to do like some red in the eyebrows, like red on this eyebrow, gold on this eyebrow, but again, trying to keep this very like neutral but still Halloween look. I did blush all over. At first I was thinking maybe just do blush on this side since this will be the angel side, but I think hell is hot and blushing is also like a purity type look, so I think it works on both sides. This is a super glam look. So we have liquid foundation, we have the liquid concealer, we have a powder just to set it all in, we have a cream contour, we have powder, bronzer, blush, just powder blush. I have a cream blush. I haven't used it, but I do have one. I go in the highlighter. I did my eyebrows. I fluffed them up. I went through with the pomade and then fluffed them up. I mean, like everything you see in this little like really quick video right here. Just trying to show you guys what I did. For my face shape, I contoured a certain way, which you'll see in the video. I go all the way around. I don't contour down to my lips. I contour like halfway in and then I just kind of press it in. And I always contour my jawline just because I'm trying to get that snatched jawline. I did my nose too just for fun. So just like the other videos, I am doing, if I can grab it, the same thing. If you haven't seen my eyeliner video where I show you how I make my own eyeliner, I definitely recommend watching that because that's basically what I'm doing here. I have my little palette set, and then I have my Inglot, which turns eyeshadows into like liquid. And then I have my Rip Up palette that just poured all over me because it's all ripped up inside. So this, I call it my Rip Up palette because I have a sentimental connection with palettes, with eyeshadow palettes, and I can't bring myself to just like digging into all of them, scraping palettes out to make eyeshadow. But this one, because there's so many creative colors in it, I've decided why not. So it's my Rip Up palette. Okay, so in this palette, we have this red right here, if I can point at it, this red, and then we have this white over here. I'm going to mix up the red, white. I'm also gonna mix up a little bit of black so I can do the little devil horns. And then I'm gonna mix up a little bit of gold to make my little halo. Just a little bit. So the red and the white, I'm gonna mix up a little bit more of than the black and the gold. So I'm gonna do that off camera real quick because it'll take a second and I will be right back. So I forgot I didn't turn my lights on, so I turned those on. So there's my little LED lights. I don't have them blinking or flashing anything. I just didn't want to get too fancy with it. We just going straight in. So I have 3 different brushes I'm gonna go between using. I'm gonna clean them off in between because these are my smallest brushes. I have an angled brush I'm gonna use for the wing, and then these 2 are like little detailing brushes on my ends. So first, I'm trying to decide what I should do. I should probably do the white first because it needs to dry so I can do another coat, because the white, I've done white eyeliner before and it's not super pigmented because it's like super see-through. So I have to like go in and do another coat once it's dry. So I'm gonna go in with this angled brush first to like start building my base for it. So, oh my gosh, I'm gonna need my mirror for this one. So I'm gonna cross the body. Like you see, like, it doesn't even look like I even did anything already. That's what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna go and just make a normal wing, like a normal bit of my eyeliner. It literally looks like there's nothing there. That's the thing I hate about like white, is that you have to do it a couple times. Okay, and now that I'm onto the wing, I'm gonna take the angled brush, the angled part, and it looks like it's super fast, but it's because like literally nothing is happening. With the red, you'll see more stuff happening. So like, I'm just kind of like going with it. So when it comes to the angle brush, I just kind of like go in the motion of the angle brush I don't do anything too crazy. Like, that's all I have so far. And go back in with that little angle tiny brush. I'm gonna try to fill it in. And white is so hard. Maybe I should have done like a baby blue. No, white makes more. Ignore me. Anyway, so I'm gonna let that dry and sit for a second. I'm gonna go with that same brush because it's just white on it. And it doesn't show up anyway. I'm gonna dip into my red. I'm gonna bake. It's a bake. I'm gonna make the beginning part for this side. I'm gonna make the wing. Okay, so there's the wing on that side. Again, I'm gonna let it dry and do like another coat of it. Going with the first angled brush I used, I'm gonna go back in with the white. I'm gonna really try to get that pigmented. Okay, so I went back with this one. I just cleaned it off. I don't want to mess up the wing too much. Okay, so I need to do another coat on that. So while I let that dry, I'm gonna go back in with the red. Like, that's so like different looking. It's just so like off looking, you know. Anyway, so I'm gonna clean this off. I'm gonna let these two dry a little bit. I'm gonna go back and try to put some more white on, and then I'll go into detailing. Okay, so I went back and I filled in the white better. I don't know what made it stick better, but it did. There's car. It's right outside my window. Anyway, so I was able to fill in the white a little bit better. I don't know how, it just went on better. And then I cleaned up the red side a little bit better. I just took this angled brush I was using. I dipped it in some just liquid makeup remover and just very carefully just swiped at it and made it sharper. Not doing that again, not touching it. I actually decided that I like my angled brush for everything, so I'm just gonna clean it off and then use that for my detailing. So I'm gonna first do the halo side, just because once I dip into that, I won't be able to go back with the black. Yeah, I won't be able to go, yeah, whatever. If I do the black first, I won't be able to go into the gold. There we go, because it'll take a while to clean it off. So taking a little bit of this gold I made, taking a little bit of that, and oh my gosh, this is gonna be so scary, I don't wanna mess it up. I'm just gonna why was that like pretty much perfect in the one swipe? I mean, it's not perfect, but it's almost like that. I'm scared to go back. I'm like, you guys know what it is. Don't ask me. Okay. So I'm just gonna go around the tip of it like that. Do you see that? That is so cute. I got a little bit of gold on my side. Hold up. Going with the same brush and then dipping into my black. So over here, I'm gonna do a little black horn, a little triangle, and I'm gonna do it again over here. I'm literally shaking. Like doing two little black horns shouldn't do that. So actually, I didn't want to do it, but I think I'm gonna do it just so it's more like noticeable of like what it's supposed to be. So hold on. Going in with this brush, just a clean brush. I'm taking some of the red, a little bit of the red, and rolling it on the tip of the brush to make it like more smooth. And I'm gonna like that. Right. Stay with me there. And then on the tip of it, I'm gonna make a little like black triangle. I'm gonna like try to clean up the red, the point real quick. So let me do that just to clean it up just a little bit. So I think for this side, I want to add some like glowing around it. It's just because like I've already added a tail to this side. Now I feel like the other side is now lopsided. This is how I am. Everything must be symmetrical. So I'm going back in with the gold. I'm gonna make little like lines around it, like it's glowing, which aren't really noticeable because it's like an orangey tone. But that is pretty much it for this eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some false lashes real quick. That took longer than normal for some reason. Anyway, so now I'm gonna go with my mascara, my Mystic Black mascara. I'm gonna blend my lashes into the false ones. This is just to make it look seamless and totally fine. I'm also gonna add some on my bottom lashes. Make those puppies pop. Okay, so there's that side. Let's do this side. Okay, so for the next part, I have foundation on my lips still, so I'm gonna wipe that off to prep for my lipstick. This is also like I put lip balm on first. I put the foundation on and then I put the lip balm on and start like kind of like breaking that foundation up. And then when I go back with like a tissue and rub it all off, it like exfoliates the lips essentially. That's why my lips look super pink now. They're not usually this pink. So now I'm gonna go in with the Black Moon Cosmetics matte lipstick in Libra, which is a super neutral pink. I absolutely love this color. Oh, it's just so pretty. It smells amazing. It smells like vanilla cupcakes, like literally in love. Okay, so now we're gonna put the top lip on. Okay, so there's the lips. I'm gonna go do my hair and put on a different outfit, and I will be right back. Okay, and then this is the finished look. I just put my hair down, just gonna wear it natural. I put on a white dress and then I put a leather jacket over it. I think kind of plays into both sides. I have little devil horns, like devil horn clips. I was thinking about putting them in, but I was like putting one in maybe, but I was like, I don't know. So I decided not to, or I could just put the white dress on and put the devil horn clips in. That would be cute too. That's another option, but I think this is super cute, especially if it's like a Halloween party. It's kind of like late, it's cold, and the jacket will keep you warm because it is like a thick leather jacket from Torrid, so it'll definitely keep you warm. Perfect. So this is the final look. This is so cute. Is this really a Halloween look? Like, I may just wear this year round. Who cares? You know what I'm saying? Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, comment. Tell me how you felt about it. Tell me what you would do if you would just do both devil, both angel. If you would change it, if you would do like a full face of devil, full face of angel, half face, whatever. Just, tell me in the comments down below. Make it up. Talk to me. Let's just have a little chat, Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.